If you are Airtel user and you want to do your data subscription and you dial the normal code, which is *312#, this is what they will show you. With 800 naira, get 1 GB of data, but there are hidden code that Airtel does not disclose to the public. With some of these code, you can get 1 GB of data for as low as 150 and below 150. And in this video, I'm going to share with you 10 of these code that can also get super cheap data from Airtel. So if you have been looking for ways on how to get data at a very cheaper rate, then this video is for you. Make sure you watch this video to the end so that you don't miss any of this code that can also get super cheap data from Airtel. And this will help to save you cost in the purchase of data. So let's dive into the video. Now the first code, I call it Smart Area Data Plan. The code to get access to this data is
*312*561#. So let's dial it and see what this can give to us. So this is called my area offer, and you have 4 options that's available that can use to get super cheap data with this code. The first option with 100 naira can get 500 MB to be valid for 1 day. The second option with 200 naira can get 1.25 GB of data to be valid for 7 days. The third option with 300 naira can get 2 GB of data to be valid for 7 days. If you are going for this option, that means 1 GB of data is just 150. So this is one of my favorite options that I used to do my subscription. I'm going to subscribe with one of these codes to also show you in this video. Then the last option with 500 I can get 3.2 GB of data to be valid for 30 days. If you're also going for this option, 1 GB of data is also less than 200 naira. Now if you dial this code in case and it did not work, let me show you another option that you can use to get to this interface. So you dial *312#, then you dial my area offer, which is number 1. So you dial number 1. It's going to bring you back to this interface. Let me subscribe with one of these codes to prove to you that this code actually works. So I'm going to go for the number 3, which is 342 GB of data, which means 1 GB of data is just 150, and this will be valid for 7 days. So I'm going to dial number 3. Data CVM2 300 has been activated and will expire on. So this is one of the ways I get my cheap data with Airtel. The second code to get data at the very cheaper from Airtel is *312*5#. So let's dial it and see what we can get with this code. With 750 you can get 3 GB of data plus 1 GB of data for YouTube 9 plus 200 MB for YouTube, Instagram and TikTok. This is will be valid for 2 days. So with 750 you can get 4.2 GB of data. So this is another good option to get cheap data from Airtel. The number 3 code to get data the very cheaper from Airtel is *312*4#. Let's dial it and see what this code can give to us. With 1500 naira, you can get 5 GB plus 2 GB for YouTube 9 plus 200 MB for YouTube, Instagram and TikTok. This will be valid for 7 days. So with 1500 you can get 7.2 GB of data. So this is another good option to get cheap weekly data subscription from Airtel. The number 4 code to get data the very cheaper from Airtel is *312*1*1*5#, *312*2*1*5#. So let's dial it and see what we can get with this code. This code is for midnight browsing. So if you normally do a lot of work in the night, you can use this code to do your midnight subscription from Airtel, and you can make use of this plan from 12 AM in the night to 5 AM in the night. With 59 you can get 250 MB, which means with 100 you can get 500 MB, and with 200 you can get 1 GB of data. This is the code to get to do your midnight subscription from Airtel. If you have gotten value so far from this video, please do me a favor, like this video so that YouTube will recommend this video to more people. If you have any question, you can drop it on the comment section. I'm going to attend to it. If you are coming across my channel for the first time, do go to subscribe to this channel and turn on your notification.
So that anytime I upload videos like this, you'll be the first person to get the notification. So let's get back to the video. The number 5 code to get the very cheap from Airtel is star 312 star 7 hash star 312 star 7 hash. So let's delete and see what this code can give to us. With 600 I can get 2 gigabytes of data plus 1 gigabyte for YouTube Night plus 200 MB for YouTube, Instagram and TikTok. This data will be valid for 2 days. So with 600 I can get 3.2 gigabyte of data, which means 1 gigabyte of data is less than 200 if we're going for this option. The number 6 code to get it at the very cheap from Airtel is star 312 hash. So let's delete and see what we can get with this. Then that star, which is next. Then that 12, which is social plan. So this bundle is for social media. So if you want to subscribe to your Facebook, YouTube or any of your social media platform, you can use this option to do your social media bundle subscription from Airtel. If you do data subscription and in few days your data will finish and you do a data subscription of 14 days or 1 month, and before just 2 days or 3 days your data has finished, then this next option is for you. The number 7 code to get data the very cheap from Airtel is star 312 star 2 star 8 hash. So let's delete and see what this code can give to us. With this code you have 2 options that's available. So this data plan is called always plan. So if your data normally finish on time and your data don't last you for the whole of the month, you can use this option to do your data subscription that will last you for the whole of the month. The first option is 4,000 for 15 gigabytes of data. Then the second option is 7,500 for 40 gigabytes of data. If you want to go for the first one, dial 1. So for this one, every day they're going to give you 500 MB. Then they're going to spread the whole of the data for the whole of the 30 days. You dial 2 to get access to this next option, which is 7,500 for 40 gigabytes of data. For this option, every day they're going to give you 1.3 gigabytes of data. Then they're going to spread the whole of the other data for the whole of the 30 days. So they're not going to give you the data at once. So they're going to spread it for the whole of the 30 days. And this data will take you through the whole of the month. The number 8 code to get data the very cheap from Airtel is star 312 star 10 hash. So let's delete and see what we can get with this code. So if you use mifi or router, you can use this code to do your subscription for your mifi or your router plan. So depending on the one you want to do, if you want to do for mifi, you dial 1. If you want to go for router, you dial 2. The number 9 code to get it at the very cheap from Airtel is star 312 star 2 star 5 hash. So let's delete and see what you can get with this code. This code is for a big monthly plan. So if you're a heavy data user, you can use this code to do your data subscription from Airtel. And we have 5 options that's available with this code. The first option, with 10,000 I can get 35 gigabytes of data. The second option, with 15,000 I can get 60 gigabytes of data. The third option, with 20,000 I can get 100 gigabytes of data. The fourth option, with 30,000 I can get 160 gigabytes of data. The fifth option, with 40,000 I can get 210 gigabytes of data. So you can use any of this option to do your monthly data subscription from Airtel. The number 10 code to get data the very cheap from Airtel is star 312 star 2 star 6 hash. So let's delete and see what we can get with this code. This code is called 3 months plus plan. So if you want to do it so that will last for a longer period of time, like 90 days, 120 days, that is 4 months, and then 365 days, that is 1 year, you can use this code to do your data subscription. And we have 3 plans. The first plan is with 50,000 I can get 300 gigabytes of data. This data will last you for 90 days, that is 3 months. The second option, with 60,000 I can get 350 gigabytes of data. This data will last you for 120 days, that is 4 months. Then the last option, with 100,000 I can get 685 gigabytes of data. This data will last you for 365 days, that is 1 year. So you can use any of this option to do your data subscription that will last you for a longer period of time from Airtel. So there you have it. These are the 10 codes that can use to get super cheap data from Airtel. And this code will help to save you cost in the purchase of data. If you got value from this video, do well to like this video and also drop your comment on the comment section. If you have any question, you can drop it on the comment section. I'm going to attend to it. If you are coming across my channel for the first time, do well to subscribe to this channel and turn on your notification. So that anytime I upload videos like this, you'll be the first person to get the notification. If you want to get access to other videos, to get data from other networks like Glo, MTN, 9 Mobile, you can watch the video that is showing next on your screen, or you can check the description of this video. So I'll see you in my next video.